In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to Afterpay with PayPal. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, according to the official PayPal website, all you have to do is download the app to have access to this functionality of paying in 4 or more installments. So, like this page says, make sure you have the mobile app properly downloaded and installed on your phone. As you can see, according to the images on screen, all you have to do is first, make a checkout using PayPal. Choose from any available store that accepts PayPal, and as long as you go through the app with the checkout, you will be able to see this option available. When you select checkout using PayPal, you should be redirected to the app, and in there you will have the option to pay later, pay in 4 interest-free payments. As you can see, when you select it, it's going to tell you if you are approved, and you are going to get the options available for the payment you are trying to make. Choose the option that best suits you, and you will be able to track them by going over to the active plans option inside of the app. As long as you keep the payments up to date and you have a good credit score, this option will be available on PayPal, and you will be able to use it for any purchases you make through the PayPal app on your phone. I hope I was able to help you on how to Afterpay with PayPal. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.